Well, today is all about creating an improvisation with easy minor sounds. Let's do it. Well, hi there, I'm Kylie and I love to share easy tips and tricks to inspire you to learn the love of music here every Thursday. And please share this video on to other people that you know that would love to make some beautiful piano sounds. Let's start up here at the top of the octave on our number 8 and our 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And let's just pulse those together in our right hand. And then let's add some left hand notes down here. So our 1 down here in the bass is our E there. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then let's go to number 5. 2, 3, 4. All again. 1, 2, 3, 4, and number 5. And you can note too that my wrist is just, when we're playing together, we're doing little pulses there of the wrist bouncing gently up and down. So let's do our alternating left hand notes there from our number 1 and 5. All again. Let's break it apart a little bit further now and have separate semiquavers there in the right hand. 1, 2, 3, 4, change. Now let's go to the number 6, 5, 6, 5. So it's a low 6. Back to the E again. 1, 5, 1, 5, low. So our notes there create the beautiful E minor tonality down to suggesting like a C major 7th. So that's why it sounds so beautiful. Now, as we've broken this right hand here, our other little tech tip is to be on the key, and sitting on the key we don't want to come away from, but be sitting right on, and then think of rocking our weight. So we've got that rotation action, and we're going to be on the keys and think of twisting gently from our pinky to our thumb there. So let's do a full playthrough now of those semiquaver patterns. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Change. Then let's extend it again. So we'll keep up nice and high up here. So we're going to start here on our E with our number 1, 5, 1, 5. So we're going to take it up the octave. So E to the B, E to the B. Let's do that. Again. Now to the C or the 6. Again. Back to the start. Might do a little crescendo as well. And softer again. And one more variation for today, my very favourite. Let's jump down the octave here to our E and our G here, our 3 and our 8 or 1. And this left hand, let's do my very favourite little trick. We're going to go number 1, number 5, 8, 9, 10 up there from the E bass. So, and let's do those notes at the same time. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then we'll change the bass down to our C. Let's do that again. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All again. Now at the C, let's go 1, 5, 8, 9, 10 are our notes there. Wait. There. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Wait. There. Now we're going to go up to our 4 and our 9 at the top scale. And our left hand's going to go to the D. Wait. There. Again. Now to the B. So the B, we're going to use this C sharp, D sharp to bring our chord together there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Wait. there again, wait, there, and you can finish on the E. So let's put all of those ideas together and have a little play around with our E pattern to the C major 7 and then our running bass. Thanks so much for watching. And if you're looking for some more beautiful sounds, then join me for some awesome arpeggios over here.